morning, students.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning,
Good
sir.
morning,
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, study of child abuse. In previous class, we had been learned different types of social issues and how to solve it. And mainly, we are nurses. Our role to control and solve the social problems. Mainly, healthcare issues, diseases, and unemployment, poverty, illiteracy. So every issue is directly linked with health status of people. So every nurse need to know about it. So today we have to start with child abuse. The child abuse strongly influence child health, including child mental health as well as their physical well-being and social health. So WHO defined that. What is mean by child abuse? Physical, psychosocial consequences affect health, failure, violate rights, endangers optimum health, survival, and development. So, which is child abuse definition by WHO? The simple meaning is that misuse of child that cause violate child rights. For example, child only play and study. Mainly these child rights are violated by various factors, detail going on, which is strongly affect the health status of child. Look at this. Child beating is not allowed to beat. First type of child abuse, neglect, physical abuse, including beat, then sexual abuse, then psychological and emotional abuse. Neglect means a particular family, three children are there or two children, or one child may be neglected by parents due to various reasons, as well as in schools, neglect. Then physical abuse by means of beating and child labor. Then sexual abuse. Then psychological, emotional abuse, which is a common abuse in our society. The children are emotionally abused by their own parents. They use negative words against the child. They don't think about this psychology of or social development of the children's. Next, look at this. Causes. Complex phenomenon. Multifactorial factors. Parents. Main cause is that parent allowed to abuse their own child. Then substance abuse. Students, everyone keep it in your mind that a child abuse by a person, the main cause is mainly concerning the sexual abuse by means of substance. A person using substance, the child should be protected. Then unemployment. For example, in family, there is no job for their parents. So the child goes to child labor. Then effects, psychological effect, PTSD, psychiatric problems, mainly post traumatic stress disorder. What do you think about it? For example, injuries, mainly mental injuries, unforgettable events, sexual abuse cause this disorder, PTSD. Then physical effects, mainly injuries, look at this, fracture, neurological problems, brain development, impaired brain development, etc. Then prevention, how to prevent it? Community-based grant, mainly family is very, very important. Every parent should be know about the psychosocial development of a child. I know developmental psychology, psychosexual development, etc. Educate and counseling give to every family members, mainly parents. Then treatment, cognitive behavioral therapy. So it is a therapy try to overcome physical and mental, mainly mental injuries, the time of childhood by means of CBT. Then child parent psychotherapy. So already we have discussed both parents should be aware about their own child, may know about what is child, what are their needs, what are child rights. Next, group therapy. So which is very important for treat various emotional issues. Then play therapy. Every child love to play. So which is one of the important medicine to treat the childhood issues. Then art therapy, arts. Every child like arts, do some drawing, writing, or any kind of do to create an achievement. Then child abuse versus nursing. Nurse what do? Students in nursing we have specialty. Can you name that specialty? Child health nursing. So that nursing specialist nurses try to concerning these all the issues. Mainly counseling give to the parents and children. Educate the parents and create awareness regarding their own child rights. Then therapy, administration of various types of therapy, including CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, and play therapy, administered by nurses. Then child labor, next section, next major issue in India. We could see, when you go to anywhere traveling or any places, we could see that children are do job in various places, in shop, street. Look at this. What do you think about child labor? UNICEF defined that as work exceeds minimum number of hours, age 5 to 14, that work harmful to child, then should be eliminated according to UNICEF. Look at this child. Able to see this? Yes, a child bear a weight more than their body weight. What happened? Physical injuries. Then there are estimated 250 million worldwide, excluding domestic labors who are working in houses. Types: agricultural, field, street, factory, matchbox factory. For example, in our district in early days, in cashew nut factories, there is a lot of children who was working. Nowadays is reducing in our district. So these are the types of child labor. Look at this. Causes: poverty, unemployment, family. Mainly concerning is that poverty in India. Next, illiteracy, then family. Lack of government program. Nowadays, lot of programs are available to eradicate child labor. Free education available. Free education available now. Age 5 to 14, right to education. Then child labor and health. If this affect physical health, mental health, and social well-being of child, mainly violate child rights, which has to affect health status of every aspect of health status of children. So we are nurses need to concern about it. Then child labor versus nursing. Now nursing having speciality, child health nursing, as well as community health nursing have been concerning that child labors in the communities, identify that child and inform to concerning authorities to bring that child to better education. Then child welfare, ICDP. So these are the important program, ICDP, Integrated Child Development Program. Next is that beggary. Beggary is a major issue in our society. When you travel, when you go to any place in bus stand, railway stations, we could see that many of them begging is a major issue. Government lot of program to overcome it. Difficult to eradicate. Nowadays, lot of reduced so much. Look at this. The begging. Define begging. Beggary. Ask donation, charity, drive sympathy, give something in return. Look at this pictures. Types of beggary. Able-bodied adult beggars, able-bodied child beggar, hereditary beggars, sick and deceased, mentally retarded, old age, then religious incapable beggars. For example, sadhus, fakirs, bogus religious medicants. So some religious practice that, some places. Look at this. Causes of beggary. Family disorganization, break up of family, joint family, community disorganization, lack of parental control, social customs, economical causes, religious causes, and biological causes due to diseases, etc. Unable to earn money, that time begging. Then remedial measures, legislative measures, and rehabilitation centers. Students in every district having rehabilitation centers for beggars. Then separate houses for beggars. Then privatization of work hours. For example, that give some work for that people. Then social security system. Then counteracting the influence of poverty, which is very important. Poverty is the main reason for begging, so counteraction is essential for that. Then NGOs collect donations and mobilizing public opinion. Students, which is very important one. Why these people beg? The public only the responsible is that they give money to beggars. So any beggars are there anywhere, we need to inform the concerning authorities. So they bring that beggars and to rehabilitate that beggars and provide better life. For example, able-bodied beggars having good body and mind, but there is no money, they begging. So that people need rehabilitation from every district level having that program. Then legislations. Bombay Prevention of Begging Act 1959. Students in mainly in Bombay and big cities, the beggars are a lot of beggars, mainly begging to the foreigners. Came into India and land in India. Then lot of beggars around this that people and try to begging more. Then Karnataka Prohibition of Beggary Act. Andhra Pradesh Prevention of Begging Rules. So these are the legislation try to eradicate begging from their states, including Bombay, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Then violence against women. So this is other major issues. We know that everyday newspapers we could see that. What do you think about violence against women? Behavior which is abuse women rights. Any act that violates rights of women, endanger health, survival and development. So which is defined violence against women. Key words should be keep it in our mind. Violate rights of women. That violation endanger to their health status of women, as well as their physical development, as well as mental development. Types: rape, kidnapping, abduction, dowry death, then homicide, domestic quarrels, sexual harassment, innocent pregnancy, etc. Innocent pregnancy means a child or in adolescent girls may be unknowingly pregnant. They don't know about particular action is right or wrong. Detail going on. Violence against women. 1 in 3 women will experience physical and sexual violence by intimate partner, not by others, intimate partner, some point in her life. Is preventable. It is a global pandemic, which means all over the world this disease is available, mainly physical forms of violence, sexual violence, and psychological violence. Detail about rape. What is meant by rape? Section 375 IPC, Indian Penal Code, define rape. A sexual intercourse man has with a woman. First is that against her will. Second, without her consent. Third, with her consent, not her husband. So which means rape. So according to IPC 375, next, with or without consent, she is below 16 years. So minor girl, an adolescent, is with or without her consent become a concern as a rape. So which is, for example, which means a child marriage. So which is considered as a child rape. It's a violence against woman. Stop violence against women. Second, kidnapping and abduction. Female less than 18 years, male 16 years. We know that kidnapping. Then abduction means voluntary consent ignoring the crime. A person did crime. The person forcefully this woman to do consent that. Voluntary consent. A particular action is right. Then 3, homicide for dowry and dowry death. Death for dowry 5,900 per year approximately. Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, as we had been learned in Family and Marriage. Then All India Domestic Women Association. So this is association concerning domestic violence in Indian society. Domestic means in the family, by intimate partners. Look at this. Violence in the Western Pacific region, intimate partners violence. Not allowed to speak in many places. The woman not allowed to open the mouth. Look at this. Beatening. Characteristics. Middle class family. Age 21 to 24. Students, this is a very important. Age is a major factor. The reason is that a woman immature, don't know about family. So that time only maximum violation experience. Form of harassment. Kills in dowry, brutal and authoritarian. Not only by husband as well as their family members. Fourth one, wife beating. This type of beating mainly in uneducated groups. Look at this. Wife beating. Characteristics. Young wives. Already we have discussed, age is a main factor. Then wives younger than husband. For example, husband may be around 45 years. Wife may be 20 or 25 years. Below 25. Then alcoholism. Students, a husband become alcohol, definitely we can expect. Beating always there. Then related to stress factors. More stress than assaulted in his childhood. Then other crimes, homicide, domestic quarrels, sexual harassment, and problem of working women. So mainly sexual harassment is, who is responsible for this? So various study findings that first the woman should be protect himself. We know that what are the places is harm, detail going on. Problems of working women: mental harassment, sexual harassment, discrimination in workplace. For example, in the workplace, maximum male population, few female population, the workers, that time should be discriminated. Then traveling, for example, in train or other, unequal pay, men only earning more money. The lack of family support. For example, husband not allowed to go to job. For example, husband says that I have enough money, no need to go to job. There is no support from the family. Then poor security. Next, insufficient maternity leave. Students, which is a very important issue nowadays. Mainly in private institutions, they do not give any maternity leave. So suffer a lot. They suffer from unhappy in the motherhood. Look at this, working woman. Look at this wonderful picture. A mother working. Two children are. Then tackling problem faced by women. First, how to tackle it? First, education is very important. Okay, education campaign regarding women rights. Then training is, many of them don't know about this. What is main rights of the woman? What are the psychology of women? Should be fulfill psychological needs of women. So training is needed in workplace, managers. Then acceptable behavior and diversity training. Mainly socio-psychological situations should be created for good display, good behavior. Then diversity training. Then complaint committee should be needed. What do you think about complaints committee? Every organization nowadays is having this. Any issue in woman, any act violate women rights should be complained there. Then working conditions, appropriate working conditions. No hostile environment, which is very important. A working environment become social psychologically pleasant for women, which is good for men as well as support towards women. Then do not work late hours. Students, which is, we know that when they mainly these hostels as well as in the working places, mainly in cities, then participation of women all levels. For example, in top management, middle management, and this low level, women should be participate. Then provide safe pickup and drop facilities, which is major issues in India. For example, in hospital in one place, hostel is other place, traveling in this time. So that time, how to secure traveling facilities should be adopted by the institutions, not only hospitals as well as other various incidents we could hear in every year. Then maternity leaves, which is very important. Maternity is a mother's wonderful life, and mother's every woman life. Maternity is part of every woman life. So every institutions provide adequate maternity leave. One of the act available, Maternity Benefit Act, 3-month leave with salary. Then daycare facilities. After the child bearing, the mother come with a child and daycare in child, then go to job, which is good for improving the child health and continuing breastfeeding and prevent the child mortality as well as good for mother health. Then performance rating. Performance means equally in men, In some areas, women do better than women. Women do better than men. Then, explanation about violence against women. Unequal power. First reason is that traditionally, woman is subordinate to men. So that is a reason. Then sexuality. Then different culture having different ideas. Ideology means thought. Woman is particular concept. They are conceptualized. Who is woman? What are the role of woman like this? Then violence against women versus health. Students, the woman's health affected by means of mental health, social well-being due to the violations, including physical violence, sexual and psychological violence caused to affect every aspect of the health status of people, mainly by means of stress, depression, family crisis, cause the social disabilities and etc. Then unintended pregnancies, unknown pregnancies which is caused by then STD, HIV/AIDS, PTSD, harmful use of tobacco and drugs. Look at this. Violence against women has serious health consequences as well as economic impact. Way to reduce violence against women and girls will be welcome back. Way to reduce violence against women and girls. First way is that legal representation. Every woman right to access legal services known to access to overcome the violences. Second, gender equality. In school level, from the childhood level, should be educate how to respect the gender, the females, and mainly concerning protect the woman rights. Then enforce early marriage. Students, in our society, maximum of violences due to forced early marriage. For example, a child studying in the school and colleges in second year learning, that time one alliance may become to parents. No need dowry. I won't only need your girl, your child only I need. So parents feel that this is good alliance, So that time forced to that girls was studying in college, second year or first year. So age group is that 20, 21 like this. "21 like this. So that time, the marriage, the girls are break the education. There is no job. This type of forced marriages ended with divorces and crisis in the family. lot of evidence having in the family court. So we need to concern about a woman. First think about, I stand on my own legs and support the family, able to support the family. Then only this. So these forced marriages should be concerning. The premature pregnancy. What do you think about premature pregnancy? Pregnancy in the early ages, in these 18, 19, 20, then bring greater attention to violence. Next way to reduce is that every woman need to attend on the violence. Students, various study findings says that the main cause of woman violence against women is that first factor is that woman only. The women don't know about what are the cause of these factors, how to protect ourselves. Mainly concerning, we know that what are the places having violences against women. We need to away from that places. Need to protect from that people. For example, if a person may be a drug addict, a person may be alcoholic, so that places we need to protect ourselves. As well as in then revise marriage law. For example, age of marriage, as well as other marriage procedures in this need to revise. So these are the some of the measures. The primary measure is that every woman learn to protect himself. In every places, in family, in the educational level, in workplaces, etc. Then role of nurses to prevent violence against women. Students, in nursing we have specialty. Maternal health nursing. Only focus on women health. Family health nursing. Focus on women health. Then family welfare program aim to promote well-being of women. So nurses having a lot of opportunity promote and empowering women in our society. Then community health nursing is a specialty concerning health and women's status in every communities, and urban as well as rural. Then public health nursing also having a lot of opportunities. We are nurses to provide to services and empowering women. Then female infanticide and female feticides. Female infanticides definition: systematic killing of girl soon after the birth. It means infanticide. Save girls. Female feticide means termination of the life of fetus within the womb. Sex is female. So it's sex selection by using modern technology. Identify the sex and try to terminate. It's an ethical evil. And abortion and gender bias. Look at this. Stop female feticide. Family is incomplete without a girl child. Reasons: expensive male ceremonies marriage ceremony, air boring, puberty ceremonies, dowry, etc. Social causes, unwanted female babies, escape disgrace, limits family size, and dislike deformity. Next section is that prostitution. Define prostitution may be defined as practice of habitual sexual union for mercenary, which means is a business aspect. Sex for money. Look at this 3 million sex workers. Types street street, which means for example when you go to in this big cities, Chennai, Mumbai, Calcutta, a particular street, for example red light area or red light streets, then brothels, red light district in big cities, for example in Mumbai, then escorts. Nowadays this prostitution prohibited in India. It's a crime. So nowadays these are the practice: escorts, residence, hotel rooms, then sex tourism, foreigners travel to India, then virtual sex, misuse of mobile phone and computer, internet. Then causes of prostitution. First cause, economic cause, poverty, industrialization, modern industrial in mainly cities, urbanization, family and social control, lack of moral teaching. So moral teaching is important mainly in India concerning the economic factors and traditional factors, mainly religiously rooted. Then overcrowding. Look at this. Red light streets. Prostitution and personal disorganization. Sexual disorders. Women suffer greater than men. Disorganization of communities. This prostitutes are not accepted by normal society. Prevention measures. Banning prostitution completely. In India banned that by means of various legislation. Then rehabilitation. Students in the prostitution involved due to poverty. So this rehabilitation is essential. Then educational opportunity for better job, employment opportunities, affirmative action, which means administrative measures to take. Then online prostitution, the prevented by various measures are available in government of Kerala. Last government launched a program, Operation Big Daddy, is one of the program to prevent child prostitution. The legislations. First legislation, Bombay Prevention of Prostitution Act 1923, which is Madras Prevention of Prostitution Act 1930. Then Bengal, we know that Chennai, Mumbai, Calcutta, mega cities in India, separate area only for practicing prostitution. So this is a legislation prevent and rehabilitate various provisions, they prevent and rehabilitate the prostitutes from this. That type of practice is a punishable crime, which is defined by this law. these laws. The legislation related to certain social customs. Students, in India, prostitution is religiously rooted due to various, for example, Devadasis. Bombay Devadas Protection Act 1931. Madras Devadas Prevention and yes, students, okay. Legislation to certain social customs, Bombay Devadas Protection Act 1931, Madras Devadas Prevention and Deduction Act 1947. Who is Devadasis? Is a evil practice in the time of in India. For example, in Tamil Nadu, in Tanjai big temple. The temple is there surrounded by our Devadasis. They are working in the temple and doing this evil practice. So this is a legislation protect that Devadasis from that practice and protect the women rights and away from the prostitution. Look at this, dancing in the temple and practicing prostitution. So look at this, is an evil practice. This, from the childhood, they are preparation for that procedure or that practice. Then rehabilitation methods, psychological rehabilitation, physical rehabilitation, okay, then economic rehabilitation, then qualitative rehabilitation, then integrated rehabilitation, poverty alleviation, housing program. So simply keeping the mind, psychological, physical, economic, qualitative, quality of lifestyle, integrated, poverty, housing, eradication, poverty. Then prostitution and health. Prostitution have been strongly affected. The health is already we know that. That HIV/AIDS, the maximum of spread HIV/AIDS in this area. So need to concern that physical health, mental health, and social well-being. Prostitutes are suffer from social disabilities. So various study findings says that, for example, Discovery Channel conduct a research. Why a woman involved in prostitution? The finding is that a prostitution started from the childhood. A child don't know about particular practice is right or wrong. Then grow, then only identify. Yes, particular practice is very, very wrong. Then try to away from that practice. So they suffer a lot in physically, mentally, and socially. Then role of nurse to solve the problem of prostitution. Care give to the prostitutes, cure the diseases, mainly focus on HIV/AIDS prevention, education, implement government prostitutes rehabilitation programs. Next section, HIV/AIDS and social implications. AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Look at this. Observe this picture. HIV virus. Did you learn this virus in last year in biochemistry? Anybody?
Yes,
Did you
sir.
learn?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
History. AIDS was first reported in June 5, 1981. CDC in USA. Then epidemiology. An estimated 33.2 million people live with HIV in 2007, including 2.5 million children. An estimated 2.5 million range newly infected 2007, including 420,000 children. So nowadays, reducing this data, UNAIDS, so United Nations form a separate unit to prevent and overcome the AIDS. 42 million worldwide according to 2000, according to data from UNAIDS. 16,000 persons are being infected every day. 80% infection unprotected intercourse. That's why we focus on that red light area. They educate the prostitutes as well as other sexual practices. Safe sex. Look at this. Signs and symptoms of AIDS: pulmonary, gastrointestinal, neurological, and tumor and infections. So reason is that first, a person affected by HIV/AIDS first affect the pulmonary due to reasons, pathophysiology going on. Pathophysiology is complex, depleting CD4 plus T lymphocytes, weaken the immune system. T lymphocytes are essential to immunoresponse. So this immunity power loss, the active HIV infections, main symptoms are, look at this, fever, mainly in central nerve system affected, mouth, then lymph nodes, mainly lymph nodes are become skin rashes, muscles, every parts of body affected by HIV infections. The reason is that then sexual transmission causes or mode of transmission. There are two mode of transmission: sexual transmission and blood products. Next one is that parental transmission, mother to child. Total 3. 80% sexual transmission. Look at this. HIV attack your T cells. T is responsible for immunity power. Then diagnosis. WHO disease staging system, Center for Disease Control and Prevention. First HIV test, then WHO disease staging system. First asymptomatic, stage 2 respiratory tract infections, stage 3 unexplained chronic diarrhea, stage 4 toxoplasmosis in brain tumors. So students, which is a fact, if a person affected by HIV/AIDS, immune system affect. So that time, which part of our body first contact with the environment? Respiratory system, So first respiratory system affected by various microorganisms due to lack of immunity power. Then is that digestive system, which is a fact that. So these are the symptoms and stages. So first there is no symptoms. Next respiratory. Then digestive. Next neuroendocrinal system. About 1 in 4 new HIV infection is among youth, which is fact. Then prevention, prevent unprotected sexual relations, body fluid exposure, mother to child infection by means of medicine available. Then education, pharmacological. Then management, how to manage antiretroviral therapy, complementary and alternative medicines, social medicine. There is no medicine to cure, so social medicine is best for long living. Then socio-cultural impact is that. First is that stigma. What do you think about stigma? Rejection, discrimination. If a person affected by HIV/AIDS, family neglect, family reject, there is no job, there is no education. Then economic impact. Then religion and HIV/AIDS. So various religious institutions having separate welfare measures for HIV/AIDS patients and provide social support and psychological well-being. The denialism, AIDS denialism, government reaction. So United Nations having separate section UN/AIDS. In the same way, every government, Indian government having separate department available and try to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare focus on to eradicate and prevent HIV/AIDS and educate the people in mainly this college level, school level. Then role of nursing on HIV/AIDS, care give to HIV patients, cure, prevention of HIV/AIDS, implement HIV intervention program by the nurses in community level, in clinical level. Then solution to social problems. Students, how to solve the social problems? We had been learned numerous social problems. Also, we can list some more problem. Environmental issues is a top nowadays. Climate change, global warming, etc. First, hurdles in solution. Problems not accepted by members of society, which is first hurdles. The people don't know about particular issues, problem or not, due to illiteracy and other factors. Then some society do not think scientific inquiry. So which means they don't use scientific knowledge. Then next hurdle is that money lacking. There is no money. Implement the programs to eradicate, to solve the social problems. Then problem of implementation, which is major issue. Government having money and programs, but unable to implement. Difficult to implement. For example, one program is not fit for everywhere. For example, tribal, urban, rural, people are different. Different geography, different language, different religion. So this is a reason why the implement to solve the program is difficult task. Then Herbert Spencer, English father of sociology, says that various measures, solution to social problem. First, laissez-faire philosophy. What do you think about laissez-faire philosophy? Says that every individual take free to solve their own problems. take own decisions. Second, education, educate the people. Third, religious, kingdom of God. Now we are Christians, every day pray that kingdom of God in earth. Then scientific study. Scientific study means evidence base. Evidence base to program and learning. Solutions. Then methods of solution to social problems. First method, there are 4 methods are available: social security, social protection, social planning, and social welfare. Security means secure the people from the social issues. Protection means protect. Prevention is better than the cure. Planning means a program to solve the problem. Welfare means well-being for the disabled or vulnerable people. The people they don't know about. The people don't have any ability, so that people need welfare to solve their issues. So these are the ways to solve the social problems. First, detail about social security. Can you define social security? Any government system provide monetary assistance to people with an inadequate or no income. So keywords: provide monetary assistance. Then Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Article 22 says that, states that everyone as a member of society, right to social security, entitled to realization, national effect, international cooperation, social and cultural rights, indispensable for his dignity, free development. Then types of social security: old age pension, family benefit, maternity benefit, sick leave benefit, disabled benefit, employment security, recruitment benefit, or retirement benefit by means of PDF, which means provident fund and pensions, etc. Next, dependent benefit, which is very important. No? Dependent means for their own father, mother, or their own children. For example, if a person working in an institution, the institution provide dependent benefit for their employees' child, employees' father and mother, like this. Then social protection. We will be learn. Thank you everyone. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.